Fellow Kenyans, last week I met the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and we discussed the readiness of the Commission and the political temperature in the country. Earlier on this week, I also met the President to discuss the same issues. The President gave assurance of protection for all Kenyans, whether they vote or not, and regardless of what part of the country they come from. Fellow Kenyans, I wish to announce to you today, on behalf of the IEBC, that based on assurances given to this Commission by the relevant authorities and security agencies, based on the progress that has been made in the Commission, the elections are scheduled, will go on tomorrow, the 26th of October, 2017. All polling stations will open tomorrow at 6 a.m. for Kenyans to exercise their democratic right. The Commission thanks you for your patience as we prepare for this fresh presidential election, and would like to urge you to wake up early in the morning, present yourselves at your respective polling stations, and vote for your preferred presidential candidate. Thereafter, please go back home and wait for announcement of results by the Commission. God bless you all, and God bless Kenya. Thank you.